Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. We're back at Adrenaline Mountain, one of our favorite places in Vegas, and today we are going to be doing a smash and grab. We're gonna be taking this backhoe, pushing the cars with it and the junk, removing them. Believe it or not, I do have a lot of experience with backhoes.
When we were young, we used to steal cars, and this is how we'd scrap them.
I lived on a palm tree farm in Texas for a while, so I was using backhoes, and
If OnlyFans doesn't work out for you, you can always go back to construction.
might just do that. Let's go.
This is gnarly. This is cool. It's weird because people do this as a job, you know? And we're coming out here doing it for fun, but like this is like sick. Cause some destruction, some chaos, break some stuff.
One of those claw games.
That was sick, honestly. It's funny because I was thinking like, bro, people literally do this as a job, you know?
I feel like it's painting. It's fun for the first couple hours, but to do it all day, every day, you're like, ah. But yeah, that is definitely fun, and it must do at least once in your life just to say you've done it. All right, guys. Well, thank you for joining us again on another episode. If you guys have had fun with the last few episodes and want to participate and do any of these activities yourself, make sure to check out Adrenaline Mountain out here in Las Vegas. Yeah.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Exactly.